but they must eventually leave the safety of their den to find food. And this enormous desert is a dangerous place for a tiny wild dog. An unwary Fennec is small enough to be caught by feral dogs and even eagle owls. But their camouflaged coats make them less conspicuous. In the fading light of dusk, she makes a run for it. Zigzagging and jumping. She uses the dunes to mask her location. The grains of sand are constantly shifting, but the pads on her feet are furry for maximum traction. Few can keep tabs on her whereabouts.